everyone. I hope that your CSAT preparation is going really well. And one suggestion, always try and attempt doing such question which contains two questions. Passages which contains two questions are always a time saver because you are spending the same amount of time reading the passage and you are able to solve two questions based on it. So one suggestion to boost your marks is to score is solving always such passages which have more than one questions. So here the passage goes, and I will help you to learn tricks to eliminate the wrong options so that you are able to get to the correct ones. Fine. Anyone who wants to solve it on their own can pause the video and solve it, and later on can check with me the tricks to eliminate the options. Fine. So here the passage goes. Conventional classrooms, by emphasizing fixed durations over learning effectiveness, resign themselves to variable outcomes. So, two things are being compared: duration, fixed duration, and the learning effectiveness. So, what are the things that they have learned? So, they are emphasizing more on duration. The tyranny of classroom is that every learner is subjected to the same set of lectures in the same way for the same duration. In the end, a few learners shine, some survive, and the rest are left behind. All right. So only because of such kind of system, only few will survive. After the fixed duration, the classroom model moves on, with not a thought spared for those left behind. This is how we end up with 10% employability. Only just 10% are employable. Fine. In our graduates after a decade and half of formal education. Repeating the same ineffective script in the realm of skill education will not produce different result. If we repeat the same process in skill development will not be effective, will be ineffective. All right, let's directly move to the question and see what the passage asks. Which of the following statements best reflect the most logical and rational inference that can be made from the passage? All right, point number one. In conventional classroom learning, the central goal is the duration of learning rather than attainment of competency. Yes, it has been said in the very first line that duration has been given more emphasis. So, this is what can be inferred. Point number two. Conventional classroom encourages one size fits all approach and stamp out all differentiation. That is also, it has been said that they have been subjected to the same way of teaching for the same duration. So both the points are correct. Therefore, answer is both 1 and 2 and the rest can be eliminated. So simply by understanding the passage, you are able to solve one question, but the bonus is you also have second question attached with the same passage. You don't need to read any further. Let's move to the question. Based on the above passage, the following assumptions have been made. All right. As a large number of workers in our country are employed in unorganized sector, India does not need to change its present conventional classroom system of education. Completely wrong, right? Because the author is not supporting this system. So this is a very wrong assumption. They are saying that it is ineffective. Ineffective, then why it should not be changed? So it is wrong. Point number two. Even with its present conventional classroom system of education, India produces sufficient number of skilled workers to fully realize the benefits of demographic dividend. Again, ineffective system. How will be able to fully realize the demographic dividend? Again, a wrong assumption. So therefore, just the simple understanding, we are able to get to the right answer, and that is answer number D, eliminating all the remaining. So guys, always try and attempt passages which contains two questions. It is a bonus for you. You don't have to read two passages and you are able to solve two questions. So guys, keep practicing and best wishes.